Hello, in this video I show you the location and how to replace the cabin filter on Audi A5 F5. The cabin filter on this car is located behind the glove box. In order to get access to the cabin filter, first we need to remove this cover. It's held by those two plastic tabs that we need to pull out. Now that the cover is removed, we have access to the cabin filter. This is the cabin filter cover, the one in white. To remove the cover, we need to pull it out and it will come out. Once we remove this white cabin filter cover, then we can remove the cabin filter. And there's the cabin filter right there. Now we're going to replace it with the new one. Before removing the cabin filter, make sure you see the direction of airflow and put the new cabin filter in the exact same direction of airflow. This is the new cabin filter and this is the part number for it. Like I said, look at the airflow on the new cabin filter and make sure you put it the same way as the old one. Now we're going to put the cabin filter in its place and then put the cabin filter cover back on, and then we're done with replacing the cabin filter. That's the cabin filter in its place. Now we're going to put the cabin filter cover back on and then we're done.